Okay, so we got a dev video here for Basic Industries. I've been working on this last few days. I still got a lot of work to do, so keep that in mind when looking at this stuff. But I'm ready to show this off and ignore the mobs in the background. So here's the dynamic machine. This will be the core piece of how most of the content work in Basic Industries. You'll take these machine frames, you'll place them, and then you'll place content inside of them to make them function. As you can tell, right-clicking, it does nothing. It's pretty much a dead tile without anything in it. In order to make it a functional machine, you first have to craft the core. Right now this is untextured. Textures are coming here either later tonight or tomorrow. But right click on it with the core. This will now make it a functional machine. You can right click it, you can interact with it. It's got several tabs. Right now only the first two tabs really have anything on it. The first tab is your crafting tab. This is where all the action happens. There'll be a lot of slots here, a lot of bars. Right now there's nothing installed on the machine, so there's nothing to look at. This is your modular machine tab. Now there's going to be some decent graphics on here to explain what everything is. This tab is your input inventory. This is your output inventory. This is your control modular, and then your power module. Control module will actually modify the behavior of the machine. This way you can say turn it on by redstone, interact with applied energistics, do something with it. The input inventory slots allow customization of how big you want your input and output and what you want your input and output to do. Hopper upgrades are going to be coming here, which will auto output and input items, so you don't have to do much work. But right now we've got basic chest upgrades. Now I'll go ahead and throw these up on here. They go in each slot, and if we go back to the first tab, we've got inventories. Now right now the chest inventory is set to 6 slots. I know a chest has 27, but I got to keep it balanced somehow. There will be huge inventory inputs coming here later. These will be high tier stuff. And there'll be scroll bars here on this left side and the right side to accommodate there being a lot of slots. But right now this is a functional machine. Because the control module and power module are not coded, you don't have to stick them in at the moment. But I can go ahead and I can stick ore in here, and it will process it down. Now this is going to be really, really quick because of the fact that I'm just doing dev mode here. But this will actually take a bit longer. There will be upgrades to increase the speed, increase the capacity, do other things. Depending on the machine, this middle slot here will be used for various things. Right now we're using a grinder. There will be a grinding wheel in here. There'll be options for hardcore and easy mode. Hardcore mode will destroy the grinding wheel over time. Easy mode will just require a better grinding wheel for better ores. If you want to grind down, say, diamond ore, you'll need like at least a steel grinding wheel, or it won't do that. But that functionality is coming here way later. The update, which is going to be here December 31st for the Volts 2 releases, which is what this will be the first release for Basic Industries, that was going to be really focused down content. I'll be showing more of these videos off here later, but as you can see, it's functional, it's consuming ore, outputting. It will actually save. There will be 3D models for this so that you can see the grinding wheel actually rendering in here. There will be facade support, so you can right-click with blocks and change the size of these, so you can actually hide your machines in walls. You don't actually have to build a wall behind the machine. You can physically build the machine into the wall, then you put a cable on the top or a hopper or whatever, and then there'll be facade support for the cables as well once they're implemented, including pipes and everything. But that's pretty much it, and I'll catch you guys later with more videos.